Changing the verification method on your PlayStation can enhance your account security. Follow these steps to update your verification settings. Step 1. Sign into your account. Log into your PlayStation account on your console or through the PlayStation website using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to the settings menu. On your console, this is typically found on the home screen. Look for the account management or users and accounts option. Step 3. Select security settings. Within the account management options, find and select security. This section contains all the settings related to your account security and verification methods. Step 4. Choose verification methods. In the security settings, look for the two-step verification or verification method option. Here, you can choose to enable or change your current verification method, such as using an authentication app, email, or SMS. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your preferred verification method, make sure to save your changes. You may be prompted to verify your choice through the current method to finalize the update. By following these steps, you can successfully change your verification method on PlayStation, ensuring your account remains secure.